want to send automated SMSs, something like this, to all your leads, then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send automated SMSs like this to all your leads. So to do this, you have to open the blank workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect and grab your laptops. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, grab your laptop, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of stars free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can send up to 100 SMSs for free to 100 your leads. Alright, so let's move in further. After you log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder, I'll just let you know that this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, I'm just going to search for Google Ads because I use Google Ads to collect the details of my own leads. For the event, I'm going to select it as new lead form entry. If you use any another platform to collect the details of your lead, you have to select the trigger as the same. Now let's click on this connect to connect Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. We have received this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. Once you open your campaign, you have to make sure that you've added lead form inside this campaign. And now we're going to connect this lead form only with Pabbly Connect. So in order that whenever we're going to receive a new lead form submission, then Pabbly is going to send them an automated SMS like this. Alright, so let's scroll and in the end you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this and you're going to see the option to enter the webhook URL. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow, enter a key and click on this send test data. Now it is saying test data sent, so open your workflow and as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same right over here. As you can see over here are all the details, be the first name, last name, email, phone number or the company name. So these are the test details. Because my campaign is in draft mode, I'm just going to use these details and move on further. But if you want to capture the real lead details right over here and create this automation only for real leads, then click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead. But for that you have to make sure that your campaign is in live mode. Otherwise I'll suggest you can create this automation using the test lead details and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. Alright, so now let's move on further. What we're going to do is we're going to send them an automated SMS, something like this. So to do this, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Twilio and select it. For the event, you have to select it as send SMS message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking me for account SID, authorization token and the account SID. So to get this, open your Twilio dashboard and you're going to see that this is the account SID. So copy this account SID and paste it right over here. You have to paste the account SID 2 times, then copy the authorization token and paste it right over here. After pasting all of these 3 details, click on the save and your Twilio account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the body of the SMS. So I want to send SMS something like this. So I'm just going to simply enter the same body. Now over here I'm just going to enter the link of my company and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter the name of my lead. But we are not going to enter this name manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So yes, that's the reason why we do mapping, so that our workflow can run in real time. So as you can see, I've successfully entered this name. You have to make sure that you only map this string value. And now it is asking me for the sender's number. So over here we are just going to open a Twilio account and as you can see my Twilio phone number, this will be your sender's number. So copy and paste it right over here. For the recipient number, simply map the number of your lead. After entering all of these details, click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. After replacing this, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And once we're going to click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent the SMS. And you're going to see that we have successfully received this new SMS. It is saying sent from your Twilio trial account. So my account is a trial account. That's the reason that this line is sent towards the user. If you're using a Twilio paid account, this line would be sent towards your lead. And you're going to see the rest of the message says, hey first name, welcome to the Natural Glow Skincare. Here's a 10% off code just for you. Redeem it over here and start your glow journey today. Such a good SMS. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, an automated SMS something like this will be sent towards my lead. And all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. And when you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, and if you want to purchase Pabbly Connect subscription, then I'm just going to give you a very good coupon code using which you can get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So I've attached the coupon code in the description box below. You can check it out. It is RITPC, and using this coupon code you're going to get a very good discount and it will be very beneficial for you if you wish to purchase Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and once you're satisfied with our services, then you can definitely move on further and purchase it. So if you wish, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check this out too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.